Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create from on your GoModern platform. So if you have started your online business with GoModern and you wanted to design your website without any coding skill or hiring any developer, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share very easy and fastest way so that you can do it very quickly. Okay, to do this, first you have to log in your dashboard. When you have logged in your dashboard, you can see that there is an option named site. Click on it, then you will find From's option. When you hover this From option, there you can see three sub menu. You have to click on the Builder menu, and from here you can create your from. So to create a from, you have to click on the Add From, Start From Sketch, or Choose From Template. The easiest way to choose from template, click on it. But if you want to start from sketch, you can try it. Then you have to build your from the custom sketch. But here a lot of ready from that you can use for your website, and there are multiple from based on business categories like gym, charity, web designer, barber shop, automotive machine, marketing agency, ice cream, medical spa, yoga registration. For example, we are going to use this one, so click on this from, and you can see that the ready from. Just click on the continue, adding the template to your from. Just take a little bit time to load the interface of your yoga registration from. Looks here, everything free ready. You can change or customize everything based on your requirement. For example, you don't want it to postal code, just for example, or you wanted to change the drop down list. Click on here, then you can change anything as your requirement. And finally you have to click on the save. Process, saving, save, done. Now let's go back. There is a from named yoga registration from. So I hope you understand. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant GoModern or website design, development or marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.